Hello friends, you are welcome to Anchor Network, where you get updated news of things happening around you. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, I would like and encourage you to subscribe so that you get updated news as soon as we publish them. The Supreme Court on Friday struck out a suit filed by the Cross River State government to challenge the suspension of the former Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onnoghen. In a split decision of 6-1 of a 7-man panel of the Apex Court, Justice Olabode Ariwoola, who prepared the lead majority judgment, held that the Cross River State government lacked the focused local standing to institute the suit on behalf of Onnoghen. The 5-man panel led by Justice Olabode Rhodes-Vivour also held that the Supreme Court was not the appropriate forum to ventilate the whatever grievances the plaintiff might have in connection with the case. Justice Ariwoola therefore struck out this case by upholding the Attorney General of the Federation's preliminary objection filed to challenge the competence of the suit. He therefore struck out the case without considering its merits on the grounds that the Supreme Court lacked jurisdiction to hear the case. Ariwoola, who was absent from the Friday's proceedings, had his judgment read by Justice Paul Galinje, who is not a member of the panel. But another member of the panel, Justice Mary Peter Odili, dissented from the majority judgment, holding that Cross River State, where Onnoghen hails from, possessed the local standing to institute the suit. She also held that the Supreme Court was an appropriate forum to file the suit. She ruled that the January 23, 2019 order issued by the Code of Conduct Tribunal, on which President Muhammadu Buhari acted on to suspend Onnoghen, was wrong, as the tribunal had no jurisdiction to entertain the charges instituted the SYCGN in the first place. She held that, not having been first disciplined by the National Judicial Council, the CCT lacked jurisdiction to hear the force and non-declaration of assets charges instituted against Onnoghen. Except Peter Odili, other members of the panel, Justice Rhodes-Vivour, who led the panel, Dasijo Muhammad, Kudirat Kekere-Ekun, Inyang Okoro, and Sidi Bagi, now retired, agreed with the lead judgment delivered by Justice Ariwoola. There's not much to say concerning this Onnoghen's case. It has really lingered for too long, and we don't even know where it's going to end at the end of the day. Though he has resigned himself. At some point, people were telling him to resign, but he didn't resign. But what is really baffling and what people are really complaining about is that the speed at which the executive used in investigating the whole thing, and within shortest period, everything was really brought to open. If they use that kind of speed as well, to deal with other cases that are in court, it would have been a different thing. But what we are really interested in is just that let justice prevail at the end of the day. Nobody should be intimidated and all of that. And everybody has to be objective. Whichever the case has to go, it has to go according to the law, not according to, sentiments. And we encourage our lawyers and those that are really, handling this case to do it accordingly. Justice must prevail. Nobody is above the law, and nobody should be intimidated. Nobody should be harassed. The man should be given, the right judgment is due. That is just what we really want. Everything has to go according to the law. Since some lawyers are really arguing, it has to be like this, it has to be the other way around. I don't know why the whole thing is always shredded in secrecy. Some courts will say this is it, some will say this is it. Though they are lawyers, they know how to do everything best. So if you have anything to say concerning this, we'd like you to put your comment down. Whatever that you think that is not right, this is why we have this platform, to be able to educate others, to enlighten others what they don't really know. We should try to respect other people's opinion. If somebody says something that is not right, and you know that this thing is right, and you know the correct thing, that is why we have you here, to come and enlighten us, to come and educate us. Don't insult anybody. If somebody says something that you know that is not really right, you should just know that that is the person's understanding, and you are in the best position to shed light on what the person doesn't know. Thank you very much. Bless you. Bye.